Welcome to week 4. So, following on from last week, have you finally dedicated a specific day and time each week to get the groceries done? Now, I know I keep repeating myself, but repetition is the mother of all learning. So this week, I'm going to be discussing the importance of rituals around habits. So it's just another tool that you can use to help you establish a new habit. Your brain loves repetition and it loves doing things on autopilot. So all these lessons we're doing is to establish that habit of being organized around your dinners. So we're focusing on the type of person you need to become, which is organized, and we're not focusing on the outcome of what you want to achieve, because when you begin with the identity, those goals will just naturally fall into place. So back to rituals and habits. I'm going to give you just an example of what my meal planning ritual is. So I do my meal planning every Sunday morning and I get the groceries done at 10 a.m. So this is what my ritual looks like. I like to enjoy a slow coffee on a Sunday morning. My coffee is an existing habit, so if you did do the habit scorecard, what you can do is have a look at a habit that you're performing before you have chosen your specific day and time each week. And this can also help you to stack the new habit of meal planning on top of an existing one. So I know that my morning coffee is automatic, and then when I finish my coffee, that is the cue for me to go and gather all my supplies for my meal plan, and then I do my shopping list. Once I've done that, I have a quick bite to eat, I shower, and I'm out the door before 10 a.m. So by repeating the same ritual over and over again, that habit for me of doing my meal planning on Sundays and getting the groceries done at 10 a.m. is now completely automatic, and I don't even have to think about it. So go back now, have a look at your habit scorecard. Can you potentially stack getting the groceries on top of an existing habit just to make it that little bit easier? So you've got the cue. Once I've done this, I'm going to do that. And create a ritual around your habits of getting the groceries done. I want you to succeed, and in order for you to succeed, we really need to focus on creating that identity change of becoming that organized person. And all these tools that we're working towards here is going to help you become that permanently organized mum around dinner times. If you haven't already, please hop into the Facebook group. I'd love to know how you're getting on. If you have any questions, do ask. I'm here to help. And like I've said many times before, I want you to succeed. This is an ongoing thing that you will be doing until you're forever and ever. And I want those dinner times to become easy and effortless for you.